Bonjour tout le monde. Hello everyone. My name is Nedgine and I have the privilege of being a member of the anivèsè pour Haïti team as co-founder and CEO. I'd like to take this moment to extend my deepest and most personal gratitude for all those who've played a part in helping anivèsè pour Haïti reach this incredible 10th anniversary milestone. It just feels really overwhelming to know all that it has taken to start off with a dream, a wish, a prayer, to be a part of the efforts of generations to really trigger what it will look like for educational justice to be the forefront of our next mighty revolution in Haiti. And 10 years in, anivèsè pour Haïti is proving what is possible when we invest in people, when we invest in equity, when we invest in the community-centered solutions that will lead us towards the path of true liberation. At this 10th anniversary milestone, I'd like to share 3 things for you all that is really our priority for this campaign and this anniversary period. Number 1, it is to sit in this celebration and sit in this joy, because this joy is what propels us forward. We know the challenges are many, but the solutions are possible, and it matters that we elevate joy and we elevate celebration when we know how far we've come and how much our own resources and identity and culture and communities will continue to propel us forward on that path. Number 2, we want to encourage all those who may not yet know about anivèsè pour Haïti to learn about us, to ask questions, to join us on the multiple platforms that exist online, on social media, and also in person when you're able, to be part of this movement. Because when we are united, we can push mountains and we can reclaim our power as a people. But we need these allies, we need our supporters, and we need all those who stand in solidarity with us and have been standing in solidarity since day one. And number 3, as you all know, it takes investments. It takes resources to push movements forward. And so until August 30th, every single dollar is doubled. Every single gift is matched. And so this is the best time. In the last 5 years, this is the first opportunity we're having with a really generous partner to be able to double every contribution. We're now at about 70% of our goal. And with you all, with every single contribution, we can reach 100%. And why not surpass our goal so that we're pushing towards the next 10 years of mighty anivèsè pour Haïti. Thank you all so much who understand that anivèsè pour Haïti is at the forefront of Haiti's next mighty cultural revolution. We will reclaim our power, we will re-Haitianize our systems, and we will inject the assets that run in our DNA to make sure that we're propelled towards the true freedom for all. Thank you all so much for your support and looking forward to the next 10 years.